Welcome to episode 17 of Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we'll cover the fundamental mechanics for the Creature Feature Booster deck. The first fundamental mechanic that the Creature Feature Booster deck adds is the Chinese Zodiacs. These are very similar to the Zodiacs from the green booster deck, and in fact, they are added to the same pile of small cards. The other fundamental mechanic of the Creature Feature Booster deck is the Law Enforcement Bunnies. A player who owns a Law Enforcement Bunny cannot have any of his saved objects stolen or traded without his consent. So to clarify what counts as a saved object, that is anything that a player owns. This could be their bunnies, their saved specials, their carrots, anything that has ownership. While potentially counterintuitive, the source for this ruling is possible to reverse engineer from the bunny bits and is also clarified by Jeff himself. Secondly, what counts as being stolen or traded? This refers to any time an object or objects would be moved to exchange from one player to a different player. As a couple simple examples, the Law Enforcement Bunny would prevent the player's carrots from being stolen or traded from either Carrot Thief or Carrot Exchange. There are of course a very large amount of cards in the game that steal or exchange objects, thereby making the Law Enforcement Bunnies a very valuable bunny to have. This has been episode 17 of Flow's Fundamentals, covering the fundamental mechanics of the Creature Feature Booster deck. And as always, Jeff bless.